In this video, we're going to show you how to integrate Navan with Google Calendar and explain how this powerful combination can streamline your scheduling process. By the end, you'll not only know how to set up this integration, but also understand how Navan can optimize your business operations. Stick around, because I'll also share a way for you to try Navan completely free with exclusive bonuses, so make sure to watch till the end. First, let's get into Navan. If you're new to this software, it's a platform that simplifies booking travel, meetings, and events by automating much of the process. It's perfect for professionals and teams that want to save time, increase efficiency, and avoid the hassle of juggling multiple platforms. Now, when you combine it with Google Calendar, you can synchronize your events seamlessly and manage your schedule in one place. To get started, you'll need to connect Navan with Google Calendar. The process is fairly straightforward. Begin by logging into your Navan account. Once you're in, head over to the Settings section and look for the Integrations tab. You'll see Google Calendar listed among other popular apps. Click on it to initiate the integration process. You'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Make sure you use the same account you want to sync with Navan. After that, you'll be asked to grant Navan the necessary permissions to access your Google Calendar. This step is important because it allows Navan to pull in your events and schedule them according to your needs. Once you've granted access, click Allow and the integration will be complete. Now, with Google Calendar integrated into Navan, here's where the magic happens. When you create an event in Navan, it automatically syncs with your Google Calendar, ensuring your schedule stays updated in real time. This means no more double bookings, no more missing meetings, and no more constantly flipping between apps. All your important dates are handled with ease. What makes this even more powerful is how Navan helps you with things like travel bookings and scheduling meetings. Let's say you need to book a flight or reserve a hotel for an event. Navan automatically checks your Google Calendar to see your availability and suggests the best options based on your schedule. You don't have to manually block out time or double-check your calendar. Navan does all that for you. But that's not all. The integration also works the other way around. If you update your Google Calendar, Navan will reflect those changes instantly. Whether you're adjusting a meeting time or adding a new event, everything stays in sync without you lifting a finger. If you're managing a team or organizing large-scale events, Navan and Google Calendar integration will be an absolute game changer. It makes it so much easier to keep track of everyone's availability, ensuring no one misses out on important meetings or deadlines. Plus, the interface is intuitive, so you won't need to spend hours learning how to use it. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can start using Navan for free right now with our exclusive extended free trial offer. The link is right below in the description, and it's a great way to see firsthand how the integration with Google Calendar can boost your productivity. Now, you've learned how to easily integrate Navan with Google Calendar, making your scheduling process smoother than ever before. If you want to experience everything Navan offers, don't forget to check out the exclusive trial, all linked below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more actionable tips and software tutorials.